Hi everybody, this morning we're gonna make a loose version of the Pupusa Salvadoreña. I figure you're at home with kids and the kids are not getting their nuggets. This is, maybe you have frozen nuggets, but this is healthier. So I have my maseca, which is great. It's cheap, it lasts a long time. Put about a cup in here and I'm gonna add water. And you just mix it until you have a good consistency. You just kind of fill it until it's good and moist enough. Did I mention you should wash your hands? Haha, that's funny. Never mind. So here we go. We are getting just about, and kind of again, consistency of Play-Doh, just about. Maybe a little moist, more moist than Play-Doh. Here we go. Almost there. Okay, this is good. This feels really good. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna take some pieces of chicken and put them in there. My favorite pupusa are the pupusa de chicharrone, which are the pupusa with pork skin in them. And those are really delicious, but didn't have any pork skin around right now, so that's what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna take it and kind of the trick is to have it at about a 1/4 inch and very even all around. So what I do, I get some oven paper, some baking paper, cover it up like this and use my good rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a bottle. Here we go. I think this is good. So kind of take away the thin edges. This is a nice low one. I have my oil going, and I just use a simple vegetable oil. And the way I tested it, I take a little bit of masa here. Masa is for dough. And go in. Yeah, see? Okay, look, people. When I see the little bubble, it's hot enough to fry. So I put my little pupusa in. It's gonna fry, it's gonna be delicious. Take it out, wipe it with a paper towel, and enjoy. Bye.